Hey everyone, it's Make It Monday. So today we are making an all-purpose cleaner. As you can tell, I am out. So we are going to make a homemade cleaner that I use in my shower, in my sink, in my toilets, and I use it on my countertops. So typically this is one I use for my bathroom because it gets the job done, and it is one of my favorite oil blend recipes to use for cleaning. So I am going to grab, hi Terry, I'm going to grab my vinegar. So it calls for just a few ingredients. It's very simple. It calls for water, vinegar, white vinegar, and your essential oils. 3 things, guys, just 3 things. And then of course you're going to want your glass bottle, and you want to make sure it's a glass spray bottle. And so I have that. And then I believe this is 16 ounces. So it is more than 8 ounces. It should be 16. We'll find out when we add the water. And then we're going to go from there. So let me grab my vinegar. Whoa! So I buy this at Costco. Huge. I think you can get it at Sam's Club, Walmart if you go there. I prefer Costco. But distilled white vinegar, that's what I use. I used to use some apple cider vinegar, but I noticed just the smell of it drove me a little crazy. All right, so we're gonna add our oils first in here, and then we're gonna add we're gonna add our water just in case I measured wrong. We're gonna add our water, and then we're gonna add in our vinegar, okay? So we're gonna do 1 3/4 cup of water. So I have my handy dandy funnel here. So you guys can see that. So I'm gonna do a cup of water. Gotta fill it. So there's 1 cup. This may be just over a cup. It's not gonna be, we're gonna down the recipe. So we're gonna just stick with a cup of water, and we're gonna do 1/8 cup, so 1/4 cup of vinegar, just because you see it filled pretty far. So I thought this was 16 ounces. It is 8 ounces. That's why I said I am not positive. I didn't think I had a 16-ounce bottle, but if I did, great. So if you have a 16-ounce bottle, you're going to double this recipe. So you're going to do a cup of water. And then we're going to do 1/8 cup of vinegar. I'm going to have to stand up for this. Pour it in my cup holder. Or you could just do like a tablespoon or 2. So we're going to add that in. Perfect. So it's a cup of water and then 1/4 cup of vinegar, white vinegar, and now we're going to add our oils. So first one I'm going to do, and I want a lot of it because it's our protective blend, is On Guard. You could do eucalyptus with wild orange and lavender. You could do peppermint and wild orange. You could do peppermint and On Guard. You could do On Guard with rosemary and a citrus. So there are different options. I'm doing 40 drops total, so I tend to go a little bit more on the oil side. You could do 30 to 40, so it's up to you. If you have kiddos around, you can stick to the 30. So we're gonna do 20 drops of On Guard. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20. Oh, I went too soon. There we go, 20. All right, and then I'm gonna do 10 drops of lemon essential oil, partly because I get a lot of soap scum and I get things that build up at times, especially if life gets busy. So I like to do lemon because it is a great degreaser as well, and it just brightens things, and we have white tiles, so I like to add a citrus in. So we're gonna do 10 drops of that one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to do Melaleuca, because together Melaleuca and On Guard are great at supporting your immune system, but it's also going to be great at helping fight bugs and getting rid of germs, all those pesky germs. So we're going to do 10 drops of that. So we equal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we equal 40 drops total is what I did. If you want to do less, like I said, you can do that as well. So that's all that's in there. And now I'm going to stick my cap on and I'm going to shake it up. And it's good to go. So I will show you. I'm going to spray. And I like to use this. I have some spots there. I like to use it in our bathroom, like I said, and I like to use it even after I shower when it's wet, and I'll start at the top and let it kind of go down, and it still works and cleans. So it's kind of like my after shower spray if I want to quick clean, and I don't always do it after every shower. It might be maybe that week I'm not doing a deep clean, but I just want to spray it and I know it's getting things clean, and then next week I actually wipe down really well and kind of scrub things. That way it saves you a little bit of time and ease. That's what I tend to do, and that's what works for me. All right, I hope you guys like this Make It Monday. It is simple, it's easy, but it is the season that we need to make sure we're keeping things clean, especially with the holidays coming. You're probably getting ready for parties and all of that good stuff. So that is an easy tip and trick for you guys and recipe, and let us know what oils you would use for your all-purpose cleaner and why. Maybe you like to add wild orange or something. So let us know what you would use and why, and what other maybe cleaning recipes you might have. Be sure to hop onto Instagram shortly, because I'm going to go live there and I'm going to show you guys how to do a easy, quick clean of your diffuser, because you want to make sure you keep those clean. So I'm going to do that video, and maybe tomorrow I'll post that here as well. But be sure to look for that. I'll be hopping on there soon. But everyone, happy oiling!